Hej och välkommen! Hi and welcome! Today we're speaking about personal pronouns in Swedish. In this video I'm covering subject, object and reflexive forms. We will start with the subject form. The subject form shows who does the action. I, jag, but we also say ja. There is a reduction there, so we don't pronounce the last letter. Ja. You, du. He, han. She, hon. It, den och det. We don't pronounce the last letter, and we are using den form for the words with an article and the form for the words with it article. We, you in plural, ni. They, dom. Mind the pronunciation. It is spelled like de, but we pronounce it like dom. And then we have one or people in general. It will be man. Jag bor i Stockholm. Hon talar svenska. Man säger inte så. Object form. When the pronoun is the receiver of the action, it changes its form. Me, may. Please note the pronunciation. It is spelled M-E-G, but we pronounce it as may. You, they. Him, honom. Her, henne. It, den, det. It doesn't change its form. Us, oss. You in plural, er. Them, dom. Here again we pronounce the object form as dom as well, the same as the subject form, but the spelling is different. We spell it as D-E-M, dom. And then one, people in general, en. Han ser mig. Jag ringer henne. De hjälper oss. Det gör en glad. And then we have the reflexive form, which can be a little bit tricky. But here we need to understand that the subject and the object will be the same when we are using the reflexive form. Myself, mig. Yourself, they. Himself, herself, say. Itself, say. Ourselves, oss. Themselves, say. Oneself, say. As you see, we have many say forms, so we use say for the third person, but when we have jag, it will be mig, du, dig, ni, vi, oss, and for the rest it will be say. Han rakar sig. Vi klär på oss. Man måste ta hand om sig. So when do we use the reflexive form? When we use the reflexive form, we have only one person who acts. Like here, han klipper sig. He cuts his hair, his own hair. So the action go back to the subject. He does something with himself. But if we say han klipper honom, then we have two people. One is the subject, the hairdresser, and this old man here, he is the object, honom. So he cuts his hair. In Swedish we actually say he cuts him. Yes, but as you see, we have two people. So han klipper sig, only one person. Han klipper honom, two people. And here we have some common mistakes which many learners do. Jag gillar han. I like him. No, you have to take the object form. Jag gillar honom. Han rakar honom. If you don't have two people but he shaves himself, it will be han rakar sig. Han rakar sig. Man måste ta hand om man. So one has to take care of oneself. No, here you have to say man måste ta hand om sig. Man måste ta hand om sig, because the action go back to the subject. So here we have only one person, this man, this general person. Det gör man glad. Det gör man glad. So man here, it should be in the object form. Det gör en glad. Det gör en glad. So en is the object form of man. So this is a very important point. Remember, if you put the pronoun man in the object, it will be en. And if it will be reflexive, it will be sig. Let me know in the comments if this lesson was useful and subscribe for more Swedish.